Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb back with Red Racing Industries. We're hitting back with episode 26 of racing every single track and every single car inside of Gran Turismo 7. So technically, this is stage 3 of racing Willow Springs today, episode 26. We're going to go ahead and hop right in, but if you haven't already, go check out the last video. It was kind of amusing in a little bit, at least closer towards the end. Anyway, let me know what you think. Other than that, we're going to hop right in. So hopping right back in here. Let's clean that camera off. And recording. We are all in. Let's go ahead, get headphones on, dive into episode 26. Perfect. Go over to World Circuits. I'm ready. Now, I've been doing this for almost 2 months. Let's go Willow Springs, International Speedway, Horse Thief Mile. Let's do morning. That'll be nice. Now, I've been doing this for about 2 months, almost nearing the end of this month that I'm currently recording this on. But this video will probably air in the month of November, if I'm not mistaken. At least that's the plan. But I gotta say, I've learned quite a bit running. Okay, I've not done this track before. Anyway, I learned quite a bit going through here. At first I was just doing mindless driving, not learning anything, just expecting myself to get faster. And then now I'm focusing on one thing, trying to get better aside from making sure I continue to deliver content on a literal daily basis. I'm not even joking. It is quite a lot because I also post every day on my other channel at Caleb Red Official. So I'm posting every day on 2 channels. So any support I do appreciate as we continue this journey. As we still got to work on monetizing this channel. But while the other one is monetized, please do check it out. It does help me out a lot. I don't have any merch or anything just yet. That will probably be some time. Several things I'm working on, however. Now, any support you do bring me, I, as always, appreciate. I do not take that for granted. This is kind of a short track, so we'll be getting done with this quick, or it feels short. I mean, just a minute long, right around that. Oh, and I'm not gaining any positions, which is kind of silly, except for that one there. Now, please, as always, I'm going to try and mention it as much as I possibly can. Tag Porsche, tag Porsche, tag Gran Turismo, whoever we got to tag and get in on this to get a Porsche 944 in, so I can do the same thing over and over again with all the cars that I buy. Just because it's kind of a unique, being able to see real cars, driving on every track, no matter what it is. Now, will I own a GTR one day? That's a bit out there, but I'm not going to put it past me. Oh, that thing is running loud. Okay, now that we're in 3rd place. I don't hear my car very much. Okay. I just have my headphones turned down a little bit so I could talk. But definitely a goal to see a 944 in here. I played Forza for a while, and they had the 944 Turbo. That was before I even bought it, so I stopped playing Forza, started hopping into this. Definitely a lot more realistic. But the one thing they didn't have was a Type R. Now, it means more to me to have the Type R because I daily drive it, and I'm still building the 944. But it's still cool nonetheless. Oh, well, there we go, off track. And he puts us back on track. So the one time somebody hits us, it's a good thing. Now, we did lose our P2 position, and that thing's got a ridiculous amount of horsepower coming out of the rear wheels. I drove it once. Yeah, not my style. Okay, come on. Push it, push it. Oh, just barely. Was that a Peugeot or something? Anyway. We could have did it if I did a little bit better, but not bad. I mean, getting to experience it, getting those miles in, stuff like that. But that was episode 26 of racing every single track and every single car inside of Gran Turismo 7. Yep. Anyway, that was the Type R once again. We're making our way through. I mean, this is 26 episodes. It's beginning to be a lot, and we're not hopping off anytime soon. Other than that, thank y'all again for watching. Keep supporting, keep liking, subscribing, whatever you got to do to help us, grow. And I'll keep doing my part on getting better, keeping content coming, and I'm reaching out to sponsors. But if you got any ideas on some good sponsors you think would be great, let me know. I'm always trying to tag Fan Attack, keeping them as a hashtag, GoPro as well, because I've got that. Now I started to tag Apple and iPhone. They're putting those as tags because I do record with the camera back here. Of course, PlayStation, Sony, Gran Turismo, stuff like that. But if y'all got any ideas, let me know. I'm more than happy to learn, get better, and be on a track one day. Other than that, I'll see y'all on the next video.